If you wanted to use a memory card on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus, what you can do is you can actually insert it into the tablet. So over here you should be able to find the memory card slot, well the tray. It can be a SIM tray, it can be just a tray for the microSD card, depending on the version of your tablet. And now we can just use the eject tool that we can find inside the box, put it into this SIM tray hole that we have over here, and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. And we're gonna remove it from the tablet completely. There we go. Now of course over here we have the memory card slot. If you have the Wi-Fi version only, then it might look slightly different, but generally speaking this is how we can insert the memory card into the tray and then just put it back into the tablet. Just make sure that it is fully in, that it doesn't stick out, and we're gonna slide it in back into the tablet, and that's all you have to do. Now you should be able to access the storage of the memory card on your Galaxy Tab A11. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.